It all begins in the beautiful sunny valley where Engine and its trains were about to go to the other side of this huge mountain to visit the boys and girls on the other side. This train, choo-choo, was full of the greatest cargo ever. There was toys for the boys and girls, like blue airplanes. There was even a red car. The train was full of cargo, like beautiful dolls. And action people, all in the place. Not only was it full of toys, but it was full of delicious things to eat, like juicy red apples, crunch, crunch, and great orange carrots, good for keeping your eyes sharp. And there was sweet strawberries, yum, 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 yum. And for those hot summer days, there were slices of watermelon. The cargo was ready, and the engine was too, and it began its way around the track. Chugga chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo, chugga chugga choo choo. And then there was a rumble in the engine. The steam engine started steaming and smoke came out. The engine looked and said, "I'm sorry, guys. I can't go anymore. I am all done." And the engine stopped going and the train came to a stop. What was going to happen to all the toys, all the food? There were boys and girls on the other side waiting for this. The boys and girls wouldn't be able to get their delivery, but there was hope. In the distance, they heard a train coming. So one of the toys got out in the middle of the track with his flag, and he tried to wave down the train. And there it was, whoosh, a brand new shiny train in blue and red with gold and yellow windows. It stopped right in front of the toy. And the toy asked him, "Please, please, shiny engine, would you help us get across this big mountain? There are boys and girls on the other side who are waiting for us. We have all the sweet treats and all the toys to make them happy. Please, engine." And the shiny engine replied, "Me? Pull you? Ho, 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 ho. I am a passenger train. Look at all these people in here. I'm a very important engine. I take people from Boston to Oakland and back and forth. I don't have time for this. Get out of my way." So the toy jumped off the track and the shiny passenger train went on its way. So all the toys on the train, they got sad and started to cry because they weren't going to be able to go to the other side of the mountain to see the boys and girls. But they heard another train coming up the mountainside, and see who it was. Hey, look, it's that guy Thomas. Thomas, can you please help take us to the other side of the mountain? Our engine crashed and we can't get to the other side, and there's boys and girls waiting for our sweet treats and beautiful toys. Well, friend, I'm Thomas the engine. I'm a little too famous to be pulling you guys. I actually have a big photo shoot in a movie that I'm starring in, so I can't be late. I would like to help, but I'm Thomas the Train. Everybody knows me. I got important things to do. I got this Blockwood movie, with Paw Patrol. Yeah, Paw Patrol. They're gonna be in my new movie. I gotta go. I'm running late. You know how Hollywood is. Chop, chop. And then off Thomas went to Hollywood to make a cool movie. So the toys were all sad. The dolls were crying. The cars were going beep, beep, beep. The airplane couldn't spin its propeller, it was so sad. But they heard something in the distance again, and the toy jumped on the track to see if this train would indeed stop and help. Jumped on the track, and there in the distance came the tiniest little train. And he stopped right in front of the toys. Can you please carry us over the mountain? There are boys and girls on the other side, and we have cargo full of all delicious treats and healthy ones, and all the toys. There are boys and girls who are gonna be sad if we don't make our delivery. Can you help? The little engine said, I wish I could, but I'm so tiny. I'm so little. And those cars are so big. I don't think I could help. Please, engine, please, little engine. Everybody keeps leaving us. We need anything, please. Okay, I'll try, but I am pretty tiny. Let me see. So they uncoupled the engine, and the little engine hopped the track. She backed up and connected to the train. The toys, all of them, came out and they were happy. They were about to go back onto the train. The toys came out to celebrate, and then they jumped back into the car. Now the engine started to go. The first part was a little easy. It was nice and flat. Chugga, 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 chugga. And then she came to the mountain. Could the little engine do it? You can do it, engine. You can do it. The little engine got worried, but she started believing in herself. And she started saying, I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. And she picked up more speed, and she could go up the mountain. I think I can. 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 And she did. All the boys and girls already at the farm waiting for the food and the toys. The little engine rolled up. Choo, choo. Oh, our toys and our food are here. Hey! And they all rushed to the train and they thought, thank you, little engine. You saved us. Now we have fresh strawberries. We have carrots to eat for dinner. And we have all the toys. And the little engine ended up being promoted to Queen Engine, where she delivered toys and treats to the families on the other side of the mountain. The end.